Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can use the privacy wall search engine as an extension on Google Chrome. So let us get started right away. In the first step, head over to privacywall.org, the homepage of Privacy Wall. And what you want to do, guys, is simply click on Get Secure Today here in the top right corner. That is going to redirect you to that menu here. So you can either download Privacy Wall as an application on your device, like your Android or Windows computer, or alternatively use it as a browser extension. So for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to add Privacy Wall as an extension to my Google Chrome browser. Alternatively, you may simply head over to the web store here on Chrome and type in here in the search bar Privacy Wall. So to add this search engine as an extension to Chrome, simply click on Add to Chrome here. Give Chrome the permission to add Privacy Wall as an extension by clicking on that button. Wait for the installation to be finished, and after a moment, Privacy Wall will be added as an extension to your Google Chrome browser. So what you want to do, guys, is simply click on that icon here at the top, extensions, and from that list of installed extensions, simply click on that pin icon here to pin the Privacy Wall search engine as an extension here. So now simply click on that icon here, Privacy Wall, and that is going to take you to the start page of Privacy Wall so that you can use it as your search engine as you would normally do with Google, Yahoo, or DuckDuckGo. So that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.